Hey, welcome back. This is Ivan with New Elite Roof. Probably you remember early this week we were working on this beautiful property in Princeton, Texas. Now we are in the process to installing the new metal standing seam roof. Probably this project we're gonna finish in about 2 or 3 more days. Probably by Monday you will see the final product. Today in history it becomes in 1923 Amelia Earhart she was become the first woman to cross the ocean Atlantic and land in Wales. Today is the United Kingdom. And also in 1983, the first astronaut, a woman astronaut, went to the space and mission on the Space Challenger in 1983. So everybody who likes music, back in 1967, if everybody remember, it was the famous festival Monterey Pop over there in California. Well, I'll see a big shout out to all my family who live in San Jose, California. Hi everybody. And also in 1960, for everybody, the golfers, remember Arnold Palmer? He won one of the US Open back in 1960. That is today history. But today, right now, working on the roof, you guys need a metal roof. Remember the class 4 shingle. I'm gonna show you how that we prepare every single paneling. This is how the metal came. We cut them right here, and we already got all the pieces laid down, ready. So we have to cut every single piece, measure every single slope before. So we cut it on the ground, and now you can turn around. Take a look at this now. We already put the synthetic felt and instead of laying down all the paneling. So you will see the final product pretty soon, and talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.